Okay, guys, finally, today is the day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Yes, happy St. Patrick's Day. Today is March 17, and today is St. Patrick's Day. Very good. Okay, now let's find about this day, St. Patrick's
Day. Hello! Welcome to our St. Patrick's Day parade. We have lots of fun on St. Patrick's Day. Do you know what St. Patrick's Day is?
What is St. Patrick's Day? What is St. Patrick's Day? Okay, now, St. Patrick was born in Britain. Yes, he was born in Britain, not in Ireland. Okay, his family was very rich. This is St. Patrick at 16 years old, when all of a sudden, who's coming? A group of pirates captured him. See? Irish pirates, and they took him to Ireland, where they sold him. They sold Patrick as a slave. He has to watch sheep. He was a shepherd. He was very sad because his mommy and his daddy were not there. Okay? So what happens? Patrick prays and prays and prays. Then one day he hears a voice that tells him, "Run, Patrick, run! Run to the ship!" So he goes to the ship and he becomes a priest in Britain, where his mommy and his daddy are. When he was old, he's old, he went back to Ireland and he told everyone, all the people, about Christianity, about God. Okay? He carried a shamrock, and with this he told people about God. So the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Now, legend says that, okay, so the legend doesn't exist, says that Patrick, what are these? These are snakes. Yes, they're snakes. Legend says that Patrick threw all of the snakes. He drove out of the snakes out of Ireland into the sea because they were evil. Yes. Okay. And he wanted to take out of all the evil out of Ireland. When Patrick died, people were very sad. So they decided to honor him with St. Patrick's Day. This is why we have St. Patrick for his death. Okay? So, now, why do we wear green? Why do we wear green? Let's see what our leprechaun says. Why do we wear green?
Can you guess why we are all wearing green?
Why are we all
Green is
wearing
the
green?
color of spring.
Green.
Since St. Patrick died in the spring.
Because green is the color of spring. Yes, green is the color of spring. And we people wear green to honor St. Patrick because he died
We wear
in
green
spring.
to show that we honor him.
Okay? So we're all green. This one's a leprechaun.
Oh, a 4-leaf clover.
This one.
That's a sign of good luck. On St. Patrick's Day, it is good luck to find a 4-leaf clover.
Okay. This is not a shamrock. No. Shamrock is only 3 leaves. 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves. This clover has 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4-leaf clover. 4-leaf clover. And it's for good luck. Okay?
As for me, I'm a leprechaun. I am part of St. Patrick's Day because I am Irish too. Now that you know.
Okay, so this is a leprechaun. Very good. He's wearing a hat, like me, a hat. His shamrock. I forgot my shamrock. And he's wearing, obviously, green. See? Green. Okay. And he's Irish too. He comes from Ireland.
Know about St. Patrick's Day? Why don't you join our fun?
Okay, so for fun, for St. Patrick's, we will read a book about leprechauns. Okay? This book is called How to Catch a Leprechaun by Adam Wallace. Pictures by Andy Elkerton. Okay? How to catch a leprechaun. Can you catch a leprechaun? Me? I can't. Okay, so let's read this book. Okay? The night is dark. The streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. Is here, yes. I'll pull out your laces. See the laces? Put glitter in your hair. And when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. Okay? You'll never catch me in your trap, but yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. See the trap? House number 1, I'm going in. Really? That's your trap? No, that's a very bad trap. See? He escaped. He escaped. I'm in and out without a doubt. And I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick. I'll dance and jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. Another house. I fixed your shoes. See? They really were quite smelly. I'll eat the nuts and you left as bait and leave with a full belly. Now you're talking. Look at this. It's dandelion tea. But I'm too spitty for your trap. This tea is mine. See? He escaped. I know you want my pot of gold. That iron cage was clever. But I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me. Ha 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 ha. Now you're getting fancy. But I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy pantsy dancy. It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. See? The leprechaun escaped. Your entire house is one big trap. From the ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed. But soon enough, I'll stroll right into the door. See, look at all these traps. The leprechaun be gone. 3,000 gave me quite a scare. But without a 4-leaf clover, I won't be caught in there. See? Leprechaun escaped. He ran away. You'll never catch this leprechaun. Impossible. That's a fact. Unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. But who will that child be? Who will that child be? See? They're all designing traps for the leprechaun. Better luck next year. Better luck next year. How to catch a leprechaun. Okay, so Unfortunately, no one caught the leprechaun. We need a 4-leaf clover to be able to catch a leprechaun. Better luck next year with the traps, okay? Maybe you can try to catch a leprechaun. Okay, and tell me how it went. Bye-bye, guys, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye.